Artificial intelligence is transforming professional work. But what do you think happens if an expert witness uses artificial intelligence to write their expert witness report? If an expert relies on artificial intelligence, there is a grave danger that they won't be able to stand over some of the content. So let's have a look at the case of Kohls and Ellison. This is from the US state of Minnesota, and it was a challenge to the laws of Minnesota which banned the use of artificial intelligence and digital enhancement in election material. The challengers wanted to be able to use digitally enhanced imagery, and the Attorney General of Minnesota, in response, sought an opinion from a professor from a very well-known university who was an expert in artificial intelligence and the danger of what were known as deepfakes. Unfortunately, in his expert witness report, it transpired that he had cited two articles that simply didn't exist. Now, it's a well-known fact that artificial intelligence produces what are known as hallucinations. Essentially, they generate sources that don't exist, and it's very easy to assume that they do. This can be not only the source of the title of the material itself, it can also be quotations from known articles or books. So what did the judge have to say about this? The irony. The professor, a credentialed expert on the dangers of AI and misinformation, has fallen victim to the siren call of relying too heavily on AI, in a case that revolves around the dangers of AI, no less. But it's also important to look at some of the other comments she made. To be clear, the court does not fault the professor for using AI for research purposes. AI, in many ways, has the potential to revolutionize legal practice for the better. But when attorneys and experts abdicate their independent judgment and critical thinking skills in favor of ready-made AI-generated answers, the quality of our legal profession and the court's decisional process suffer. As a result, the judge granted an order excluding the expert's evidence. The lesson is clear. If you use AI in any part of your research or the production of your report, it's very important to ensure that any sources that you cite are correctly checked. Not just the name of the source, but any quotations that may have been drawn by the AI tool. It's also important to remember that confidential client information should never be put into a public large language model. You should only do that if you have been provided with a bespoke system that has the appropriate guarantees of confidentiality.